Welcome my dear students. Now let's begin with the Python installation. Just open your browser and type download Python. The first link that you will get is the official website for Python. Yes, that's it. Click on it. You'll open this website. Do not click on this link. Do not. What you will do, you will click on Windows. Exactly, you have to choose your operating system. Okay, if you are on a different one, you can go for that as well. Now do not download the latest releases, please. We are going to choose the stable releases. Okay, only the stable versions you have to download, and come to this point and click on this link, Windows installer 64-bit, right? Okay, as you can see, the download has started on my computer and it's done in a moment. TikTok, it's done. Okay, so once it's done, you can simply click on this link, or you can see it opened. Otherwise, you can click on the folder. It will take you to where you have downloaded. Double click from here and the same screen is going to come. Now this one, do not click on install now, rather click on customize installation. Okay, and positively check the option add python.exe to path. This is mandatory, can't skip it button. And please check all the optional features. We don't want to take risk. Okay, it's so much struggle when students come up and say, like, you know, we can't install pandas, we can't install this and that. So please do this. Do not forget the previous tip. Okay, as you can see, the pizza has come. You know why? Because now you can sit and relax. You know, the installation is taking place. That's it. Okay, it's happening. Okay, the earth is rotating. As you can see, a day has covered, I think. And now it is done. Setup was successful. Now click on disable path limit so that Python doesn't give errors when file names are too long. Done. Setup was successful. I hope that was simple. Do let me know in the comments. Cross out these things. We don't need it, okay? And just come to the start button. Okay, as you can see, it's already there. Click on idle Python. Idle, I-D-L-E. Don't click on anything else, please. Else, you can scroll down to P and you'll find a new folder named as Python. Click on this. And idle is opened on your screen, okay? The version is also being shown on your computer. Okay, so now you can enjoy coding and you can enjoy writing all Python codes now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next videos on Python.
Do not forget, before installing Python, follow these rules. Number 1, download Python only from the official website python.org. Second, choose the stable Windows 64-bit installer. Third, select customize installation instead of install now. Then remember to check on add to path. Click important options like PIP, and finally, when the installation is done, click disable path length limit, and then only you are ready to use Python. Do not make mistakes.